The Earth is more than 4.5 billion years old, which is a lot of history. So how do we learn what happened when? One way is by using timelines. A historical timeline is a tool that shows the order of important or interesting events that happened in the past. They can tell us when the events happened and how long they lasted. A timeline puts historical events in the right order, helping us understand how these events are connected. Timelines can show us long periods of time, like key moments in the history of the world, or short periods of time, like how long it took for the first astronauts to fly to the moon, a little over 4 days. An event on a timeline matches the date or year that it happened, and titles and descriptions can give us more information. Not all timelines go from side to side. For example, they go like this, with the first event at the top and the last at the bottom. Historians use timelines to teach us about important events from the past. But you can make your own timeline. Start with when you wake up, when you get to school, when is recess, when you eat dinner, and when you go to bed. Now you've made a timeline of a day in your life.